Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the CapCut mobile application. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can import music and audio file onto your project within the CapCut mobile application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the CapCut application on your device and then tap on the edit button at the bottom left corner, which will now show you your recent projects, and you can also create a new one if you wish. Now when you create a new project, you will be able to choose videos and photos to import onto your timeline, but in order to add audio, you will need to enter the timeline first. And now within the layers section, you will see the add audio option. You can tap on this and then choose from sounds, brand music, as well as the various different options that are available. Go ahead and tap on sounds and you will find various different music that are available within the CapCut library. You can also tap on the folder icon to browse your device audio. You can tap on each one of the sounds to check the preview and tap on the download button to import this onto your timeline. Once it is downloaded, tap on the plus button and now you will see that this track has appeared within your timeline. Now with this track selected, you can adjust the volume, add audio effects, and use various fade options as well. Once your edit is done, tap on the export button at the top right corner to export your video right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to import audio within your project on the CapCut application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.